All right, everyone. So I am here with Reggie, and you're technically a streamer, right?
Technically.
Yeah. And what like streaming group are you with?
I'm a part of the Cam Boys collective. About, I think 19 streamers in that. About 19.
19?
Yeah, 19
Whoa.
Total.
Are you in like all this one house, or like?
Kind of spread across the U.S. a little bit, but most of us live in the same general area. I'd say.
Like in L.A.
Yeah.
Okay.
About probably 2-3 main houses.
Okay. And do you compete with other people, or just internally for fun, or is it like?
We pretty much just compete against ourselves.
That's cool.
Because we don't have any other people that we. There's already so many people. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so we're going to be cutting your hair today. So I'm looking through, and I see you kind of have like this forward like undercut, right? Which is cool. You have some sick highlights.
Thank you.
Which is nuts. I see the flow you have going on. So let's talk about hair, man. So what are we doing, man? What do you think?
So I mean, what I don't like about it, like I like that it's like looks messy, but it's just like it's messy. I kind of want it to be a clean messy, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like if I move my head anyway that way, it all falls.
Yeah, it's like all
or this way, if it gets long and I swoop it this way, then it's just bunched up and stuff on the side.
Yeah. So the thing is because this is all coming forward, and what happens is you have so much, and this is important for everyone to see this. Okay, look at this. So you have all this hair, this comes down to here, dude. This is long.
Yeah.
So, which I get it, but what happens is this also is going to flop naturally.
Yeah.
So the only way to like really fix this though is to cut some of this length, dude. And are you okay with cutting some?
I trust whatever you think.
Okay. At least somebody trusts a bald guy. Anyway, so no, but I get it because you have so much hair in through here, man. So we really got to like soften this up so that it's not so heavy. But you do have a pretty strong disconnection. What about like underneath here, like just kind of a nice taper, like up to this point?
Yeah,
like,
sure. I'm not too picky. Just
I can go pretty short.
Yeah,
right,
whatever you think.
Nice, dude.
Maybe not as short as what you have.
I get it, man. I get it.
That's always the plan.
I get it. All right, so this is going to be a nice little. This is called the streamer cut. Right?
Yes.
The streamer makeover. All right.
And is it a problem if I have any DN in my hair?
Any what?
DN in my hair.
No, it's fine. Anything's fine, man.
Are you familiar with DN?
What is that?
Deez nuts.
Oh, DN, Deez nuts. Deez nuts. That was good, bro. That was
Thanks,
good. I was like DN. I'm like, no, it's fine. I don't do pube trims. That's extra, bro. So I got to charge you for that.
Okay.
Then I have
that's
to
like
get, the hazmat team to come in, and then you might have grabs or something like that. And
that's a good idea for the OnlyFans, though. So how do you rate my girlfriend's haircutting abilities?
Hey, it's not bad, man.
Is there anything that you see in there that's just like, oh, like this is wrong? Because like,
well, no, it's just because like I mentioned, it's so long back here. But I think I know why she was doing that, to try to like bring it all forward.
Oh yeah.
But at the same time, like I don't see any like major like disasters, you know.
Yeah, I kind of struggle with telling her exactly like, you know, this is kind of how I want it to look because I don't really know or like what I don't like about the hair, but. Yeah, so the thing's kind of messy, I'd say, is pretty much the big thing.
Yeah. Yeah, but I am creating kind of a new shape for the haircut so that it does look better as it grows out, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I'm excited to see it.
Yeah, I'm trying to create like a messy textured look, but at the same time, like, you know,
like more control.
Yeah.
I was playing Xbox forever, but now that I started streaming, you kind of have to switch over to PC. So
oh really?
That's why like games like Valorant it was so tough for us to pick up on because it's like so aim based, and you know playing with keyboard and mouse is like brand new to us. So it's a little steep learning curve. A lot of people are moving over to Twitch, which is like really.
How would you think like hair
right
videos like this would do on Twitch?
I think good.
Really?
Yeah, especially like you know if you have other like creators and stuff getting haircuts as well, and it's like. Rather than like the edited version of the YouTube video, which is a lot easier to watch, but a lot of people just in the background, it's kind of like listening to a podcast. Like if you just had a camera running right now, like a side camera running on Twitch, then yeah, I think they'll do well.
Watch that?
Definitely. People really like watching haircut streams. You set up like your system for like alerts, like if you want to have like, show up on the screen like, oh, this person followed or whatever. You can do all that, but aside from that, like, you don't have to worry about titles, you don't worry about thumbnails. You just go live. Do you think that my hair, like I should be like thinning my hair? Like, you know with the shears? Oh, you are?
I'm doing it with a razor.
Oh, no way. Wow.
This is a little bit like softer, whereas a razor can really like, I don't know, like mess with the integrity. Our thinning shears could be good for certain things. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not something I recommend for like every day, all the time.
Yeah, I was gonna ask like how often, like how many, or like every other haircut, or like how often should I do that?
What, thinning it?
Yeah.
Do I take a picture with you and like post
It really
it?
depends,
Like,
man.
hey,
Gotcha.
It really depends because like you don't need it all the time, but
I feel like the more I learn from him, the more I'm just gonna get pissed off.
I know I still have to cut his hair.
What are you thinking? I hang out with the salon guy.
You're gonna start telling people, dude, you're not holding it at the right angle.
Oh my god.
I want her too, since she doesn't like the house.
But no, you should be good. But like thinning it, no, you shouldn't do it every time because like you're just cutting more and more density out of the hair to where it's gonna be so stringy.
Yeah.
If you over thin it, you're just gonna have nothing left. It's gonna be just string. So you want to keep some of the weight and integrity to the hair. Thinning it is only necessary if it's like
Here it is. He's connected to everything.
if it's necessary. I mean that's really what it comes down to.
Yeah.
It may not be totally necessary for you to do that. You know.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
It's really just gonna string out your hair, man. You know.
Yeah. I think I need
Look
to
how
rebleach
amazing
it.
it looks.
No, it looks awesome.
It does look really fun.
Like,
It, like-
big. It's like
Yeah, it looks
night and day difference. You know.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, what is this called? Like something mohawk?
It's like a crop top, like textured like crop top, I guess.
Yeah, it looks sick.
I call it like the streamer pimp. That's
The streamer pimp, is that the new haircut style?
it is.
You
That's what,
started it.
is that what I need to ask for at Great Clips?
I don't know what it is.
They'll know.
Where are you from, like originally?
Kansas.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, I just moved out here like 2 years ago.
Oh, damn. What made you move out here? Just to like connect with everyone?
Just YouTube and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I don't think I've had a good haircut in like 24 years. I had to think about how old I was.
Well, you know. I guess what's interesting is one, I've been doing this for so damn long, but two, I treat, even though we're filming and this and that, like I treat each person I cut like an actual client of mine. So my top priority is like, dude, my goal is to give you a good haircut. Like,
Oh, awesome.
the video was like sick, but like, I want you to leave here being like, besides Steven being so good looking, he does pretty good haircuts too. So.
Oh, you were saying you were good looking?
Let's see. Oh, damn. It's a roast-a-thon.
I wasn't ready for the streamers. You guys gotta be.
You guys are hardcore, man. I know. I can't.
We got crazy.
You gotta be responding to comments on live.
Have you seen Goblin, by the way?
Wait. I know that Goblin. What?
I'm just waiting
Goblin.
for it. Oh god, it's gonna be like some sort of
Goblin
like,
what?
thing again.
Goblin who?
Goblin on these nuts.
Oh my god.
That's so funny.
Oh my god.
I'm so broken that I knew it.
Do you do like these nut jokes while you're streaming?
Yeah, all the time. We got to give people all the time. Getting someone organically with one of those is like, that's just like, you can't really recover from that.
It's the most rewarding thing.
Yeah.
These nuts.
It's kind of be a craft, especially if like, you know, like Chris, like, you know, one's already happened today. You got to be really, really sneaky with it.
Yeah, you really do.
So this is excellent.
Thank you.
Who's like got like the best D's nuts like game? Like out of all of you.
Probably Rhett. Rhett gets me all the time.
Red's good.
This guy we play with, he's like insane at it. He catches me so off guard. He's so innocent, and then he just stabs you in the back with one of those.
Oh man.
You're least expecting it. Terrible. Stabs me in the back with his nuts. Do you need gardening?
I'm not a big gardening guy, to be honest with you.
Really?
No. It's the first time everyone's ever asked me. I appreciate that, but like, no.
You gotta ask. These are the important questions.
Yeah, I'm not looking to.
You don't do anything like, you don't plant tulips or anything?
Nah.
You don't plant tulips on these nuts?
Oh, tulips on his nuts. I get it. That's good. Damn, bro. Both know the same people?
Know the same people?
Like in the same like community? Like
Yeah, probably somewhat.
You know, there's like Julia's Jewish, right? And you know, there's a lot of Jews in Hollywood. You know that?
Really?
Yeah, do you know that? Do you know a guy named his last name is, I think it's like Einstein or something like that? It's like a popular last name, but Frank is his first name.
Frank?
Yeah.
Huh.
You know the last name Einstein? Do you know him?
Oh my god, no. I just said it in my head. Frankenstein.
Frank Einstein? No.
Oh my god. Okay, so if you and your Uncle Jack were out riding horses and you got stuck on the horse, would you help your uncle jack off the horse?
That's good. That's good.
So there's two fish in a tank.
Okay.
One looks to the other one and is like, how the hell do you drive this thing?
Oh God, that's good.
Yeah, not all of our jokes are good.
That's good.
Because if you like streaming on your phone, a lot of people are moving over to Ligma as well.
Ligma?
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Ligma balls. Sheesh. Okay, so there's two fish in a river and they're swimming, and one runs into a wall, and the other fish is like, "Damn."
Oh, I get it. That's funny though.
Okay, that one was bad. That's one of my. That's when I'm desperate. I ran out. What did Cinderella say when she got to the ball?
What?
When we're streaming for hours and hours, you have to, find a couple jokes to pass the time.
Matt, can you just like say whatever you want on Twitch? Like you can curse and all that shit? Or not?
Yeah, you don't worry about monetization, nothing.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you still make money then? Just from donations and stuff?
It's all like community funded. It's not like based on ads. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, I don't even run ads on my channel.
Really?
It's all just community support.
And like when you guys all like split like the pot, is that how it works, or like?
No, we all have our own channels.
Okay.
But yeah, we all just kind of like help each other out and like stream together, stuff like that. TwitchCon and SockOn as well.
What's the other one?
SockOn? Sock on these nuts.
I knew it.
God damn it! Motherfucker won't stop.
All right, so the haircut is complete, and this was kind of somewhat of a makeover, and
Yeah.
I'm really happy. So before, you saw he had so much hair going on here just because it was hanging over the side. So what I want to do, let's just turn this way, is create like a really nice taper in through here, working up into the length. So I did take a lot of that overhang off. I used a razor when cutting it just to create like some soft like pieciness and some soft texture, and I faded it back up. Same thing, I took a lot of that excess weight off in through here. Let's turn around this way. And you can see right on this side, same thing. I wanted to create kind of the same exact type of flow and texture he has on the other side. Then for the top, what I did is I just held everything straight up, balanced it all out, even layers, added a little bit of softness right throughout the front here to leave a little bit of like an edge. And really, the haircut does all the work. Spray a little bit of Tidal Wave to give it some texture. I think it'll be great. His hair was just already in that shape as it is. But Tidal Wave or like a clay or something will be a really good product to use, something like this. And I do have to plug my code because
Please.
I have to, man. I have to.
Please.
It's the code is deeznuts20, and I'm kidding.
God damn it, my editing works just got good.
No, the code is YouTube20. You get 20% off and free shipping in the United States. It's really an exclusive code for YouTube viewers.
Wait, 20% off and free shipping?
Yeah, dude.
You're like, how are you even? You're like giving it away.
I don't make any money on it. No, I'm kidding.
What?
No, I'm just very generous to my YouTube viewers. So, YouTube20 is the code, and 20% off and free shipping.
It's practically free. 20% off and free shipping.
I know.
How,
What I want to do is show you the revealing on my cell phone here. Okay. So, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm going to give you the phone. Take the phone.
Okay.
And let's flip it around.
Oh, shit.
Dude, is that insane?
God damn. No, that's kind of like what I wanted to look like before, but yeah, it was just a mess. Oh, that was insane.
Is that nuts?
Yeah, that looks really, really good.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. All right, well, had a lot of fun doing this. I'll leave the link to his social media in the description, but thank you for being on my channel. Keep streaming away, and we'll see you all soon.
All right, YouTube 20.
There we go.